Explore Maui, offering a unique land and soul-based experience of Hawai'i, focusing on natural wonders, ancestral knowledge, and the spirit of aloha. Enhance your understanding of the islands and its culture through our holistic educational approach. For a deeper dive into Hawaii's inner journey, check out our Hawai'i Immersion course. Click the link below to buy the course and immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Hawai'i. This comprehensive program will dive into Hawaiian language basics called ʻŌlelo Hawai'i, history, mythology, and family-centered education content linked to place-based learning. With over 31 lessons available for self-paced learning, you'll also have access to 4 live weekly sessions aimed at initiating your Hawaiian language journey. Click the link below to start your Hawai'i Immersion course. Aloha everybody, my name is Sam Peralta. I am from Maui, Hawaii. I grew up here and graduated here, but I also traveled around the world. I love to skateboard and surf and listen to music, but most of all, I have a passion for Hawaiian language and the culture here in Hawaii. I live in Iao currently with my wife and my newborn, Kua Evie, and I'm excited to get started with all of these things Hawai'i immersion. With the birth of my son, I realized the most important thing in life. It's what we have around us, our environment. I got into the ideas of light, water, and magnetism being the foundation for our humanity. The way we expand, the way we think, the way we grow, all has to do with this concept of light, water, and magnetism. It's interesting in Hawaii that all of our words are incorporated with ʻāina. ʻāina is what sustains you. What sustains us? The light, the water, the magnetism. The light in Hawaii, the la, is in the lani, it's the celestial realm. The vai is the water, the blood of the land. And we have the honua, the tapestry, the wavelength, the vibration. Once I started weaving these pieces into ʻŌlelo Hawaii, my mind was blown. I found out the connections we have with land and our human body are so intertwined, so unique, and actually are foundational for us to thrive and be in this place. The word for land in Hawaii is ʻāina, what sustains you. And when I found out ʻāina really sustains us by that light, water, magnetism connection, I really got excited to dive into the next subject, which was Ohana, family. When I thought about the light, water, magnetism, and I thought about my family, I realized that's the foundation I wanted my family to have, this connection, deep connection with the land, with the water, and with the cosmic rays. I wanted my Ohana, my family, to have a solid foundation within these principles. That's why I birthed this course, to be able to connect land, water, and magnetism with the ideas of Hawaii in the context of Hawaii. That's the foundational family pieces, really connecting back into the ʻāina. And in the modules, what you'll see is the grid of the past, how it connects with the present, the ideas of the archetypes, the stories, the mythologies within Hawaii, and how it colors in and fills in the different worldview that we have here in this place. I wanted my family to have that solid foundational piece of being grounded within the ʻāina, the light, water, magnetism. Also give them the conceptual framework that has the genealogy based on this place, the contextualization of Hawaii. That's where the archetypes come in, the symbols, the god and goddesses all have to do with gridding out the society here in Hawaii. Instead of being unconscious about these things, bringing these ideas into the forefront will help us to be able to navigate and to honor the native system of Hawaii. This is for you if you're a leader and want to lead yourself first into deeper aspects of ancestral knowledge and indigenous knowledge. My deepest desires for families that take this course is for them to have a perspective that's unique to their design, but also how it fits into the context of Hawaii. Looking through the genealogy of ideas and symbols in Hawaii, learning the language, the songs, will help you and your Ohana to feel connected rather than separated. It's going to help you to create dialogue with natives. It's also going to help you to create dialogue and help you to face your fears and insecurities of not fitting in. The tie between ancestral indigenous knowledge for people that don't live here is the ʻāina, the land. Everybody has a connection to their land. When we forget that we have connections to the land, we forget who we are and where we come from. On the deepest level, we all are tied into land, to the light, to the water, and to the magnetic forces of your geography. When we come back into those ideas, it makes our body remember where we come from and who we are. Actually enhances and expands our tissues in our body, our genes. It helps remap our brain to regulate our system, to understand that we really do belong in our bodies, where we are, and we integrate with it. If you're not from Hawaii, this course will help you to extract universal principles of your land, your ʻāina. Think about your lineage. Think about where your ancestors come from. We all have those places, those sacred sites, and those ideas that all connect humanity into this grand tapestry. As you continue to dive deeper inwardly on how your ancestors connected to the land, think about the different songs, chants, dances, and movements that's unique to your design, unique to your gene pool, unique to your sacred spaces. That's going to help you and your Ohana to feel connected deeper, not only to below, but to the above. The relationship of the horizontal and the relationship of the vertical. Enjoy the course. It'll give you universal principles to connect back to the land, connect back to your psyche, and connect back to the cosmos. The whole intention is for you to navigate with your Ohana, creating new grids, new paradigms to open up to a greater world than yourself. Getting an indigenous perspective will help you to open yourself up, go back into your genealogy, and create the songs, the chants, and the movements that will help your body and yourself to engage with the natural environment. Engaging in these universal principles, dances, movements, songs, and chants will help you to not only engage with yourself and your ancestry, but be able to have inter-religious, intercultural conversations and dialogue with those around you. No matter what background they're coming from, these principles and ideas can be taken across the board, the whole vertical, horizontal relationship. The idea here is to find all the places where humanity is connected and related to, rather than fragmented and separated, generating a deeper sense of gratitude, aloha, and peace. We're going on this huaka'i together. Let's get started. As we wrap up our journey through Explore Maui, we hope you've experienced the true essence of Ohana and the island's spirit. This podcast has offered a unique perspective on Maui, focusing on both its natural wonders and timeless wisdom of aloha. Whether you're a homeschool family seeking real-world experience, a visitor looking to enrich your trip, or a long-time resident seeking fresh inspiration, Explore Maui has your go-to resource. Before we part ways, we have exciting news. Are you eager to dive deeper into the heart of Hawaii? Our upcoming Hawai'i Immersion online course and webinars offer a unique opportunity to explore the profound depths of the Pacific Gem. Click the link below to discover about Hawaii's language, culture, and cosmic traditions as you've never seen them before.